Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to compare the touch sampling rate comparison between the Realme GT Neo 3 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. And this exact question which has been requested by plenty of my subscribers asked me to compare both phones side by side. Let's see friends, what is the highest touch sampling rate and what is the default touch sampling rate we can get between this both phones. So first, before starting the video, you should know what is the default touch sampling rate. So let me go to the Flipkart website. So this is the Flipkart website where I'm trying to refer for the information. So let's talk about Realme GT Neo 2, what's happening in this device. So in the Realme GT Neo 2, they did mention clearly in the Flipkart that 600 Hz continuous touch sampling rate, continuous, not instant. There's a difference, instant touch sampling rate and continuous touch sampling rate. So the Realme, they did use the word which says continuous. So you should be expecting continuous touch sampling rate of 600 Hz in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. That's the confirmation. And next confirmation in the GT Neo 3, where they did mention that and the touch sampling rate of up to 360 Hz touch sampling rate in the Realme GT Neo 3. As you can see, same Flipkart website only friends, I am trying to refer for the information. You can clearly see here what's going on. Now, let's go to the settings option and show the display settings, what I'm trying to select, because that's the most important thing you should know about what refresh rate I am selecting. So both are at 120 Hz refresh rate right now. As you can see, absolutely same refresh rate. And now let me use the applications which I used to use every time to test the multi-touch. Right now this application has been added into the gain space. So gain space also I've added, so you guys can actually understand. So I just included the gain space option also in this application right now. Right now, try to observe friends, when I'm trying to open the application, you will get that notification saying that gain space is activated, as you can see between these both phones. Now try to check the touch sampling rate in the GT Neo 2, what's happening in the GT Neo 2. In the GT Neo 2 we are getting the value about 420 value we are getting, as you can see 420. So this application will give the value refresh rate plus touch sampling rate included. So that's the reason you need to do the minus. So 420 minus 120, 300 Hz touch sampling rate by default we are getting in this device, which is a 300 Hz. That's something you should know about Realme GT Neo 2. As you can clearly see, 420 minus 120, 300 Hz. In the GT Neo 3, let's talk about this GT Neo 3. Right now we are getting the value about 240. So 240 minus 120 Hz refresh rate, 120 Hz touch sampling rate by default. I'm not sure, maybe with the next software updates they might be improved or not, but right now 120 Hz touch sampling rate is there in this GT Neo 3 when comparing with the 300 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can see, side by side comparison, you may be thinking, can you please enable the GT mode and can you try? Yes. So it doesn't work like that. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't improve anything, nothing. It doesn't improve at all. So again, you may think like, can you please close the application and try open again, because sometimes it may not work. Still it doesn't work. So GT mode using with the gain space and everything I am trying to do, but still the touch sampling rate you cannot increase. You cannot increase. Even if you use the GT mode in this device as well, there will be no use with the GT mode. Now I'll try to show you a sample another application also to demonstrate is it correct or not, because you should know, right, this application is correct or not. Now this is another application where I'll try to test the touch sampling rate. So let's see the touch inputs, how this phone is detecting with the 120 Hz. As you can see, less number of touch inputs. Try to observe this device. More number of touch inputs. Clearly you can see more touch inputs are detected and less touch inputs are detected. And I'm not sure whether this can be fixed with the software updates or not, but I cannot guarantee that. I cannot say it will be fixed and buy this device. I cannot say like that. So I cannot guarantee any single thing in any updates, in any smartphone. I cannot guarantee with the updates. So now try to observe with a very fast movement. Very less input, very fast movement also, more touch inputs. You can clearly see even the difference right now. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. This is a quick comparison between these both phones regarding the touch sampling rate. Definitely the touch sampling rate in the GT Neo 2 is slightly higher than the GT Neo 3 unfortunately. So that's the case here. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.